Hey everyone, Ben here, and in this video I'm just going to go through how we can go ahead and actually open new viewports and close viewports in Blender. So to create a viewport, you'll come up to the corner here and then click and drag in the direction you'd like to create it. So I'll click and drag over and it'll create a new viewport for me. And now perhaps I'd like to split this one in half. So I'll click and drag down this time to create a new one. And now what I'd like to do is actually say I'm done with these two viewports. I want to go back to just this one. Well, you'd think that you could maybe click and drag over these two, but it's not possible because this viewport does not share an entire boundary with this viewing area over here. It's broken up into these two viewports, so we need to close these two first, so there's just one viewing pane over here, or one viewport, and then we can have this viewport override it. So to do that, what I'll do is grab this section down here, just closer to the bottom viewport, and drag it up and over into this viewport here. So I'll click and drag up and release, and then I'll do the same over here, but I'll choose this corner, slide to the left, and then I'll click and drag into here and release. So just like so. You see, you get prompted for the arrow and you're back and good as new. All right, hope that helps, and I'll see you in another video.